starting with the sweet and massive name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and benevolent, who taught us the use of pen and created us from drops of blood. After all praises to Almighty Allah, now I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Dear students, today I'm going to teach you noun. What is noun? So before teaching you the noun, so let me clarify you what we will have in this series. We will have parts of speech in this series. First we will teach you noun, then pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. I will teach you these all in every single video. Okay, so let's dive into the basic of noun. Basically, the word noun is taken from Latin word nomen, which means name. Got it? So what is the definition of noun? I have taken the easiest and simplest definition. Noun is the name of person, place, and thing. It means noun can be person and it can be place and it can be thing as well. Okay? And another definition is that anything that exists in the world, that is called noun. As you can see around the world, it means whatever you see or touch, that is called noun. Simply, for example, whiteboard is a noun. Okay? It means then whiteboard count in which kind of nouns? We will discuss that later, but first of all, anything that exists in the world, that is called noun. It can be person, it can be place, it can be things. It means anything in the world that has name, so that is called noun, simply. Then person, place, and thing. Number one, person. Person can be Smith, Jack, and Trump, Barack Obama, Netanyahu, Nawaz Sharif, President Ghani, and many more. Okay, that is all noun. Actually, Smith, Jack, and Trump, and actually they are noun because they have name. That's why we can call it noun. Okay. The next thing, what kind of noun? Names of person. Okay. The next one is place. Noun can be place as well, like New York, England, Canada, Germany, Peshawar, Pakistan, and Netherlands, Ireland, and many more, etc. It means it can be also, noun can be place as well. We have many places in the world. We can call it a noun as well. Okay? Number third can be thing. So things can be, it includes car, pen, door, pencil, whiteboard, door, motorcycle, phone, and etc. It means these all counts in names of things. So I hope you understand, and it is enough for today. If you have any kinds of question related to this topic, so you can comments below and I will answer you. Thank you so much.